Hello friends, today I would like to make a mushroom omelette. I have chopped the mushrooms and they're ready to be used. And we also need onions, so I've chopped them and we're going to use 1 cup of chopped onion. Now we need 3 eggs. I have already cracked 2 and going to crack the 3rd one. We add almost 2 tablespoon of milk. And add some salt and black pepper. Now we can either use the manual mixer and mix it by that one, or use the handheld electric one, which is easier and faster. When it's completely mixed, we have our egg and the mushroom and onion ready. We can go and start cooking. So first we spray some oil, cooking oil, in one of the pans and add the onion. And we wait until the onion gets soft. Now the onion is ready, and what we're going to do is to add the mushroom. We will also add some soy sauce. That gives it a good flavor. And wait for mushroom to soften and get ready as well. Now in the other pan we add some cooking oil and pour our egg mixture on it. And wait for the egg to cook. Anytime the egg gets to a point that you can move it in the pan freely without the sticking, that means it's ready and there's no more liquid in the middle. So we are going to add the onion and mushroom mixture to it. We put it right in the middle there and try to avoid the edges, because they will come out if they are close to the edge. Okay, now we will flip one side of the egg over the top of the mushroom, like so, and then push it down so that it sticks and doesn't go back. And then the other side we do the same. We flip that one on top and push it down to make sure it sticks. Then we wait to make sure it's stick and it's not coming off. Then we flip the whole omelet over. And give it a couple of minutes to get thoroughly cooked. Now the mushroom omelette is ready. We will move it into the serving dish. And we will garnish it with some coriander and parsley in the middle, and some ketchup and mustard on the other side.